I don't want to talk unless we talking about, yeah, counting up the money and it's hard to keep, yeah, it's hard to keep. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. They talk about the boy when they wanna be trendy. I don't worry about any threats that you send me. Say that you a shooter, I got real ones with me. They gon' make sure that the clip gets empty. Yeah, we after ya. Never got a degree, but I'm a bachelor. Me and 40 get to cooking with no spatula. You shooting at the stars, you need a big caliber. You ain't at the top, I've been here the whole time. I've been running laps in this bitch, it's 09. I could put you on a map with a cosign. Trophies got a crib looking like a gold mine. They follow in my footsteps, cause I know that I paved the way. She think I'm a hero, shorty, you ain't getting safe today. Like you send me checks, so your salary my day to day. I'm numb to awards, now the Grammys act like paperweights. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. Had to drop a meal for the meal on the wrist. They know that I'm hearing from the Ville to the 6. If I'm being honest, I ain't mean to take your bitch. Got the driveway looking like a dealership. Rappers that I used to know, now they act different. Where they are, where I'm at, that's a big difference. Got my brothers off the block, but they still gripping. Just a phone call away for you to go missing. Always had the vision, I just knew that it would take time. If you want the number one spot, you gotta take mine. Only way to do that is for you to write some Drake lines. You ain't even big enough to get cloned by AI. I don't know nobody living quite like this. Hopped in the ghost, it ain't even got mileage. They gon' remember the name cause I'm timeless. Say time is money, just know mine is priceless. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about.
Hello guys. Today is the 5th of June 2023. We are in New York session. We have some pairs we want to look at today as usual. We have 18 people on the live stream so far. You know how it goes. We have to wait till we have about 70 to 100 people on the live stream before we start doing our analysis. But before we start, we try to gather the pairs we're going to work on. We're going to work on signals. We're going to analyze them. We're going to see what the market has to offer, the opportunities, the directions, you know, the potential of the pair. So far today, I'm looking at USDJPY, EURJPY, gbpjpy, and gold. If you have any pair you want me to do analysis for, you can put that in the comment section. Hello, Walid. Hello, Head Beast. Hello, Neozord. So if you have any questions, put that in the comment section. If you have any pairs you want analysis for, put that in the comment section. Okay, this way. Put that in the comment section. If you have any, okay, someone says Euro USD. Remember, guys, we're trying to gather as many pairs. Once we start, if you start putting pairs in the list, we will not go back on that. Once we start doing our analysis, okay. So far on our list of pairs, we have Euro USD, USDJPY, Euro JPY, GBP JPY, and then XAUUSD gold. Hello, Ata. You said you're a gold lover. I'm a gold lover too. Hello, Rakash. All right, so we're gonna wait till we have 70 to 100 people on the live stream before we begin. And like I said, if you have any pairs you want analysis for, put that in the comment section. If you have any pairs you want signals for, put that in the comment section. If you're in any trade, you want to know what you should do with your trade. Should you get out? Should you close part of your trade? Should you move to break even? How far can it go? When can it turn around? Okay, so let's see. While we're waiting for more people to join the live stream, let's take a quick break. You remember to put your comments in the comment section, and we'll be right back after 2 minutes break. Hey guys, this is Solomon from NLFX and Crypto. As you can see, I use Mugen Markets, the broker I used to take swing and scalp trades. This is the best broker I've used so far because they have ECN accounts with very tight spreads up to 0, which allows me to scalp the foreign exchange market easily, as you have seen in my scalping videos. They have leverage up to 1 to 500, which helps me make a lot of profits in the market, and the execution is very fast and very quick, as you have seen in some of my live trading videos. The deposit and withdrawal methods are in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, USDC, Ethereum, and many more. And the transactions are done in an instant. No waiting or delays. This broker does it in an instant. The trading platform is done in MT4, which I consider the best trading platform if you want to have the best trading experience. You can click the link in description below to sign up and start trading and making profits just like I do. All right, let's see. Let's get back our music. Let's see. All right, so the signals and analysis that have been given, all right, if you want to continue to get them for free, all you have to do is join the broker that I use, Mugen Markets, link in description below. Make sure you have at least $350 to $500 to be able to copy my trades. And then if you want to use your own broker, you have to go to hedgingmastermind.com, get the 1-year one-time fee signal, and then you'll be added to the private signal group. The free signal is meant to end at the end of this month, right? But for those people who have joined my broker and funded their account, you continue to get the signals for 6 more months. So yeah, join Mugen Markets. Make sure you have at least $350 to $500 in order to be able to copy my trades because of lot sizing and everything. Then send me a message with a screenshot showing me that you have your account and your account is live, and then you'll be added to the group. Hello, the name is Joe. Hello, Jose Garcia. Hello, bro. Hello, Yegan Xavier. You said, why sometimes gold W? I don't know what that means. Rakosh says, can I take buy on gbpjpy? gbpjpy is on our pre-of list, so we will look at that. Remember, guys, I'll refresh your memory. Today we have Euro USD, USDJPY, Euro JPY, gbpjpy, and then finally gold. If you have any additional pairs you want signal analysis for, put that in the comment section. Remember, if you want to buy the course to learn how to do all this analysis yourself, scalping, swing trading, hedging, all done by the software, and you can learn how to do it yourself manually also, go to hedgingmastermind.com. Let's see. Why sometimes gold goes up when news favor to USD? Are you asking why does gold go up if USD is strong? The market will do whatever it wants to do. Your job is to understand how the market works and make profit from that. You know, you can't, you sometimes go, it will do whatever it wants to do. Trying to find the reason of, why is it doing this now? Why is it? No, I just found out how the market works and I use it to my advantage to make profits. I'm not trying to control the market or say the market is supposed to do this. You don't control the market. The market is not supposed to do whatever you want. Market does whatever it wants. Your job is to understand it, what it's doing right now, and be able to make profit from it. If you're trying to beat the market, fight the market, well, you know, it's your money. You can risk it. Anyways, with that being said, we have over 100 people here. Let's begin with our first pair, which is, let's see what our first pair on our list, Euro USD. Who's messaging me? Right now, on my scalping account. I'm on kind of a trade on usdjpy, but on my swing trade accounts, I'm still on a sell on gold. Okay, still on gold sells. I've taken some partial profits though. I'm looking at the pair right now and it's not looking so good. It's looking really annoying. Yeah, but we'll see how that plays out. Gold is kind of looking bullish right now, just a little bit, but long-term bias for me is bearish. But okay, yeah. Now let's look at Euro USD. For me to get Euro USD and give you guys an analysis, I have to put that on my software, get a quick analysis, see how the market is, see what my software says, and see how we can profit from this market situation. Euro USD is looking like it's in some kind of consolidation. I don't really like when it's in all these consolidation zones. As we can see here, we've previously seen here. Where is it? I'm trying to click it. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. These consolidation zones, I really don't like it. We're able to make a lot of good profits from Euro USD last week, twice. Yeah, let's see. So you know what happens in the consolidation. Boom, boom. We had a push up, then push down. So clearly, what can we expect? Push up. So two things can happen. We can expect it to go all the way to 1.0745 and then bounce all the way back, or we can expect continuation onto the downside. For that to happen, we need to see a break of 1.0675. And if you wanted to continue to take, if you were in a buy and wanted to continue to take a buy, you can just set your final target here, because after that, it doesn't really change anything. If we're on the live stream earlier before news came and shot it all the way up, I could have told you to buy from here, target all the way up here, and just set your low of the day as the exit. But are we in a position where we can take a trade? We're in a consolidation. We're really in a consolidation. We need to escape this zone. We need to escape this zone, either upward or downward first for Euro USD. So for the person who asked for Euro USD, what are you? Are you in a trade right now? Are you in a buy? Are you in a sell? Let me know so I know how much more I can help you out in your situation. Now, let's move on to the next pair, which is USDJPY. Guys, remember to make comments, remember to share, remember to click the notification bells on so that you get notifications once I'm doing these free live streams and signals. And it also helps the algorithm, helps the channel grow. So we have more people on the live stream asking more questions that you could learn from and educate yourself on, and which could help you become a better trader. Let's see USDJPY. I'm just enjoying the song. Let me see. USDJPY. I want to put my software. I remember, guys. I told you I was in a USDJPY trade. I actually know what is going on. Let's see, 138. Okay. So I don't know if you guys are already in a buy, but the buy is already initiated. I am bullish on USDJPY. Let me see the previous. Okay, so we are not in some kind of consolidated situation. We're actually in a good situation. I kind of took a buy on usdjpy. Okay, from around here. Targets being 140.75, right? Short-term target, anyways. If you want the long-term targets, just spam USDJPY or UJ in the comment section. If not, we will leave it as short-term targets. Can you guys hear me clearly? Then exit would have been 139. You know. So it was a 6-to-1 ratio trade, exit of 25 pips. I already moved my stop to break even. But the issue is that this exit is just a one-day exit. If this trade happens to move to the next day, anyways, if I was in this trade, I would have moved stops to break even by now. You know, so there's no new entry for this as of now. If you wanted to take another entry, I would say you should enter at around 139. Yeah. You should enter at around 139 in case the market drops again. You could enter at around 139, targets 140.75. Right? Then your exits, I would say your exit should be, yeah, the low of the previous day. Let's see. So, but you're risking about 40 pips. 4-to-1 risk to reward ratio, risking about 40 pips. I would say you should lower your lot size. This is not the kind of trade you take with your main capital. You could take it with mix of your main capital and some profits, but you know the risk is quite high, 42 pips. You know, confidence level on this trade is very high, very, very high as of now, as of today. I already took the trade. I'm already at break even. But if it goes all the way down to 139, there's a possibility of taking a buy. Very high possibility of taking a buy from here. Let's see. I'm trying to look for issues, if there are any issues with this trade. The only thing is, if this trade gets triggered on Tuesday, that's my only issue. The trade getting triggered on Tuesday. If the trade gets triggered on Monday, no problem. I'm okay with this trade because I know you move your stop loss to break even very quickly. You know, so we'll just put it as one of our Monday trades. Monday trades. Right? You need it to break. You know, if eventually gets triggered, you need price to, you need price to close above let's see, 139.25 before end of New York session. So yeah, that's the only thing that'll keep my confidence level high on this trade. If we can stay above that price before the end of New York session today. So I would say this trade's kind of 50-50. It's not like the trade is bad. I'm just trying to be cautious. So what's next on our list? Euro JPY. Let's look at some of the comments before we move on to Euro JPY. Okay, so okay, Rakosh said I made $50 from your analysis on gold. How did you make it? Just by participating in the live stream, making comments, asking questions. It's not that hard, you know. But some people just don't like me because I'm not using support and resistance, which they cannot show me works. Like, show me your withdrawals, show me your trade history. They are angry at me that I'm not using moving average. How can you be angry with me when you cannot show me your results? How can you be angry with me when I'm showing you my results from not using any indicator? Free signals, free analysis. Simply like, share, subscribe, comments. Let's help the channel grow. Remember, guys, you can also join my Telegram group because I post more updates on what we're doing there. Raul says the best. You're also the best, Raul. Remember, guys, the free signals, these live streams I'm doing, it may not continue. I will decide by the end of this month. If you want to continue to get it for free, join the broker I use, which is Mega Markets. Link in description below. And make sure you sign up and have at least $350 to $500 to be able to copy my trades. I'm not trying to take any profits from you when you make your profits. I'm not asking Rakash for his $50 that he profits that is made. Some people have made 500, 700, 1,000, 2,000 just from watching this live stream for free, mostly on gold pairs, some on gbpjpy pairs, you know, and other different pairs. I didn't ask for one dime back, you know. Anyways, okay, you say USDJPY, USDJPY. Okay, we'll go back to USDJPY. No, but not a lot of comments for USD, so we won't go back. Next time, you guys, if you want long-term analysis, make as many comments while I'm doing the pair. Someone just sent me a message on Telegram asking me about my accounts that I'm trading. Remember the $250 account I started with? I'm currently in a trade, so I don't want to show what trade I'm in, but I can show you guys my trade history. I'm still growing the account. I'm planning to make a withdrawal once we reach $3,000, like the whole balance, because at that point we would have made $250, $2,500. That would be about 1,000% profits once we reach 2,750. And once we reach 3,000, I can be able to withdraw my deposits that I made, the initial deposit that I made, which is this $250. Okay. And what else? Then we can just be trading with the market's money, right? Once we reach another 5,000, I'll make another withdrawal, you know. So yeah, this is the account. We started with 250. We started trading this account about a month ago, right? We started trading it exactly tomorrow makes it okay, about 2 months, right? Tomorrow makes it 2 months. Okay. So yeah, no, not tomorrow makes it 2 months. Actually, it's almost 2 months. So next week makes it 2 months that we've been trading this account. Okay, so we've had some nice trades. We started with some small trades: $5, $3, $7, $10, 20. This is just all pure scalping. Okay, we had some trades we had to hedge out, like this one's right here, you know, because I don't use stop losses. I hedge out my trades, because if you hedge out your trades, you don't lose any money. Some of you guys have blown your accounts. Some of you guys have lost half of the, imagine all the money you lost using a stop loss. Hedge funds don't use stop loss. Banks don't use stop loss. All these big funds trading over $100 million hedge their trades out. So I don't know why people use stop loss. I think it's because they don't have the proper education for hedging. Martingale's system is not hedging, it's gambling, because you are buying at random places, you are selling at random. Just because the market goes up does not mean you must buy. Just because the market goes down does not mean you must sell. This is why education is important. If you are paying $1,000 for education, right, at least somebody who is trading live, who will teach you live, is better than losing $1,000 to the market, because you won't learn anything. If the person teaching you is not ready to risk their own money to teach you, then it's crap. You know, just be honest with yourself. So you have to do proper hedging. The way I hedge, I know exactly when to buy, where to sell. Okay, even my software shows this: where to buy, where to sell. It tells me when and where to hedge. So this was a hedge. We took some small trades here. We had another hedge here. And yeah, completed with, so 200 cancels 190. So we had some trades, minor losses, you know, $4, minor losses $3. That day was a bit bad. started having big trades. This was a hedge. Okay, this 1 2 3 60 something for minus 50 loss. So when I hedge, I don't lose anything. My wins cancels out the loss. This is another hedge. Then this is profits. I made another profits here. We made some nice profits here. Okay, actually this is a hedge. Okay, this one was a hedge here, around here. This was profits. Yeah, big profits. Profits started getting bigger and bigger. We had some nice profits here. Big profits here. Okay, we had some big profits here. These three trades. Big profits here. This one was a hedge, actually a big hedge. We had to use this and this to hedge out this. Yeah, this hedge also profits. This one was NFP. Okay, I recorded a whole trading day. I made $500 during NFP, and this was part of the $500 I made. This one was about $320, right? I made this during NFP. I'm going to upload that video tomorrow also. Yes, this was a hedge also. We're just making profits till we've had almost 1,000% profit. Okay, so we've made $2,280 scalping this account from 250 in 2 months. Hopefully by the end of this week it's going to be 1,000% profit, or maybe we can actually now finally get the whole account to $3,000. But yeah, it's been a good journey. I've recorded most of the videos for you guys so that you can try to learn if you want. But yeah, let's go back to the charts and do some more analysis. Where did we stop? We stopped at USDJPY. The next on our list is EUROJPY, then gbpjpy, then gold. Let's go back to the charts. Let's check some comments before we continue. Let's see. Okay, someone says gbpjpy. After we do EUROJPY, we'll do gbpjpy. Hello, Jawan. You said your analysis is good. I know it's good. I've been using the same system for years. I've seen it happen over and over and over again. I don't have confidence issues because I've actually seen the results play out over and over again. Country Flavor says new month, once again, new opportunities. Exactly. Hope you guys made good profits last month. Some of my students sent me their testimonials. When it comes to posting testimonials, I'm kind of lazy, but I've started posting more and more testimonials. Jagan says, teach us swing trading method, or do you have any course about swing trading? If you want to learn, you can go to my website, hedgingmastermind.com. Okay, you can get any of the courses. They teach you how to scalp, how to hedge, how to swing trade. Or if you just want to learn hedging or just scalping, you can also learn just that. And the software also comes with I'm trying to yeah, so this is the website. The course also comes with the software that does all the analysis for you. So that means if you don't want to manually do the analysis, the software will do the analysis within seconds for you. Just put the pair you want, put it there, the software does it in an instant. Software tells you if you go to the lower time frame you want to scalp, the software tells you when to buy, the software tells you when to sell. You can watch from my scalping videos, you'll see how the software works. If you want to hedge, the software shows you where to hedge, exact points to hedge for a buy or sell. It literally shows you and tells you visually. The software does the analysis for swing trading, basically makes my life easy for you. Jump on your PC, make quick profits, no confusion, no doubts in your mind. It tells you the market trend. Are we going up? Are we going down? How far can we go up? How far? So many things. Makes life very easy. And you don't need to be on your PC 24/7 looking for a scalp trade. Okay, that's just one of the benefits of that. It's auto, yes, it's automatic, but the trading is done manually. Now let's see EUROJPY. I'm sure you already know, or let's just look at EUROJPY, because some of these JPY pairs, sometimes one may be buy, one may be sell. Usually quite different. There's EUROJPY is looking kind of bearish, but is it really? Because it has a strong pullback. That's the issue. Is it really? I would say it's possible to take a sell on EUROJPY, but I'm kind of skeptical. We took a buy trade on EUROJPY previously before, right? Remember what I say? Once you get into 40, 50 pips in profits, remember to move the rest to break even, take some profits. So this trade actually went about, let's see, about 45 pips in profits. By then, you know what to do. What I always repeat in every video: 40 to 50 pips, move to break even, take some profits. If you had done that, you should have made some tiny profit on this Euro JPY trade and lost out the rest at break even. So you lose nothing. Now, the Euro JPY has dropped all the way down again and is, couldn't continue to go long. Looking at this, it's possible that Euro JPY could drop all the way down to, let's see, 146, or what, let's just say 147. But I'm seeing that is quite unlikely. Something like this, I would rather take a trade tomorrow, or I would rather look at Euro JPY tomorrow. How is looking like tomorrow? Or if I wanted to take a gamble, right? If I wanted to take a gamble, I would take a sell for Euro JPY at around, let's say, 149.85. Set exit as the high of the day, right? First target could be 149.25, the low of the day. Not a good risk reward ratio, but if you were targeting the long-term targets, which I actually doubt, but everything is a possibility. You could be looking at, let's just say, 147. You could be looking at a take profit of, this 147. Okay. A risk to reward ratio of 7.5. You could be looking at a profit potential of 300 pips, risking about 40 pips. Is it worth it? I'm more confident on the USDJPY trade, actually. I'm more confident on the USDJPY trade, but that's a possibility on EuroJPY. I wouldn't take it with my main capital. I would rather just take it with profits. Now, let's move on to gbpjpy. Let's gbpjpy. Okay. We've done Euro USD. Euro USD was the first pair we did. If you want to watch that, you can go back to the beginning. Okay, it was literally the first pair that we did. Boom, 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 boom. Let's look. All right, so gbpjpy, we had the same situation also as Euro JPY. Remember what I said? 40 to 50 pips in profits. Take some profits, move the rest to break even. If you followed what I said before, we moved into about 50 pips profits. You should have moved, to break even, blah, blah, blah. Same thing. But what are we looking at right now? It's looking bearish. All of them facing a rejection. We looked at USDJPY. Bullish on USDJPY. Euro JPY was saying bearish, but I'm quite skeptical on that. GBPJPY also pointing kind of bearish. Well, I'm doubting that. I feel like all these things just went down because of news. This is something I'll just prefer to look at tomorrow. Okay, I'd prefer to look at, but I'm not doing any analysis tomorrow, so we'll meet on Wednesday. But while we're waiting for that, and my trade is going into aggressive profit, but while we're waiting on that, let's see, there's no opportunity on gbpjpy. I just believe that news was used to manipulate, and it's just going to continue to go long. That's what I believe. It went spiked and hit all the way down here, and it would have been easier to take a buy from around 173, just like we did before here, but no opportunity so far. If you're in a sell, be very skeptical. Take a lot of profits, maybe 70% of your profits, put the rest at break even. If you're on a buy, put your buy at break even, take some profits, maybe 20%, 30%, and let the rest run. You can target 175. The person who asked for gbpjpy, what trade are you on gbpjpy? Are you in a buy? Are you in a sell? You know, it's quite tricky right now. USDJPY so far, in terms of the JPY pairs, are the only USDJPY is the only one that I've seen like something viable, something that you can really risk and have confidence on the trade with, you know. All right, so what is left after Euro JPY? We have gold finally. But before we get into gold, can you guys hear me? Can you type yes in the comment section if you can hear me?
If I'm being honest, I ain't mean to take your bitch. Got the driveway looking like a dealership. Rappers that I used to know, now they act different. Where they are, where I'm at, that's a big difference. Got my brothers off the block, but they still gripping. Just a phone call away for you to go missing. Always had the vision, I just knew that it would take time. If you want the number one spot, you gotta take mine. Only way to do that is for you to write some Drake lines. You ain't even big enough to get cloned by AI. I don't know nobody living quite like this. Hopped in the ghost, it ain't even got mileage. They gon' remember the name cause I'm timeless. Say time is money, just know mine is priceless. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about. Yeah. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep. Yeah, it's hard to keep. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. They talk about the boy when they wanna be trendy. I don't worry about any threats that you send me. Say that you a shooter, I got real ones with me. They gon' make sure that the clip gets empty. Yeah, we after ya. Never got a degree, but I'm a bachelor. Me and 40 get to cooking with no spatula. You shooting at the stars, you need a big caliber. You ain't at the top, I've been here the whole time. I've been running laps in this bitch is 09. I could put you on a map with a cosign. Trophies got a crib looking like a gold mine. They follow in my footsteps cause I know that I paved the way. She think I'm a hero, shorty, you ain't getting safe today. Like you send me checks, so your salary my day to day. I'm numb to awards, now the Grammys act like paperweights. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. Had to drop a meal for the meal on the wrist. They know that I'm hearing from the Ville to the 6. If I'm being honest, I ain't mean to take your bitch. Got the driveway looking like a dealership. Rappers that I used to know, now they act different. Where they are, where I'm at, that's a big difference. Got my brothers off the block, but they still gripping. Just a phone call away for you to go missing. Always had the vision, I just knew that it would take time. If you want the number one spot, you gotta take mine. Only way to do that is for you to write some Drake lines. You ain't even big enough to get cloned by AI. I don't know nobody living quite like this. Hopped in the ghost, it ain't even got mileage. They gon' remember the name cause I'm timeless. Say time is money, just know mine is priceless. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about. I don't want to tighten this, we talking about. Yeah. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep. Yeah, it's hard to keep.
All right, so you guys can hear me. You guys that come on the live stream, thank you very much. I'm happy making profits for you guys, as long as you guys keep liking, sharing, subscribing, making comments, especially the guys who comment. You're the best. Prakash, Country Flavor. Okay, tomorrow can you do scalping trade? I do not do my scalping trade live. If you want to learn, go to hedgingmastermind.com. Okay, then I do it live with my students. Okay, all right, so where were we? Last but not least, also scalping videos being uploaded tomorrow. I'll upload tomorrow the video of when I made profit during NFP, and I also had a hedge this morning. I had to hedge out the trade on usdjpy this morning. I was taking a sell, I had to take a buy to hedge. I'll upload that on Wednesday, and then I'll record a few trades. Do you guys? There are two types of scalping videos I upload. Some scalping videos I upload, I make a trade like 1 or 2 trades. Or do you like the scalping videos when I record the whole day, like my whole scalping day? Do you want scalping videos when I'm making like 1 or 2 scalp trades a day, or do you want scalping videos where I record my majority of my trades for that day? Let me know. Put that in the comment section. Last but not least, gold. Gold is kind of tricky. We had a 50-50 gold trade. Okay, we made a lot of profits on that. And I said before the end of Friday, while we're in this zone, this consolidation zone during NFP, if it breaks this zone, we're going long. If it breaks this zone, we're going short. It went short. I said if it breaks this lower zone again, we could go all the way down to 1920. It broke this lower zone again. It got to 1940, right, which was our previous target zone. And then because of news, it has shot up to 1960. I believe again that news is just using this to fool traders, to fool them money to initiate buys, and then it's going to crash all the way down. There is no, as of this moment, good trade on gold. I would say if you want to take a sell, you're actually taking a gamble, because for me, I need good confirmation from the market. I need a full good setup. I need everything to be proper and fine. I don't like taking a trade with nothing set and just because I want to make profits. All those days of trying to make profits by any means possible is when you're a trader who is gambling, when you don't know if you're going to make profit or not, when you are not used to seeing your strategy work over, and that's when you become desperate. Okay, so I'm not in the desperate mode. I already took a sell on gold, and I'm still in that sell. I've taken some profits. I've locked a big chunk of it in break even, so even if it goes up, I'm still going to make a lot of money. But as of now, is there a new entry so far? I wouldn't say so. If you want to take a sell, the market is quite confusing. The market can continue to go up. Remember, it's trying to take out people who have stop losses. It's trying to make people take buys, okay, which in my perspective, it did it during news period. So in my own opinion, it's a trap. Okay, we could see it go from here, okay, and drop all the way down again. So far so good as of this moment. All right, so guys, I have to go soon in about 5 minutes, but so far as of this moment, gold is showing bullish, okay, bullish moves. It could go all the way up to 19. Let's just put a mark at 1970, right? 19. Let's just say around this area. As of today, only just today. But what will matter is if we see it break above this point, then we will continue to go long. All right. But if it can't break this, I expect it to continue to go down. Now, even if it goes down, it might still bounce all the way up. Gold does not have any entry as of now. It is just trying to trap traders. It is just trying to fool traders. It is just trying to make traders initiate trades and put them in a loss. Okay, so you have to be very careful on gold. My long-term bias, my personal bias, without analysis, without technicals, without fundamentals, and you know, I'm also in a sell trade, so there's that bias. I expect it to continue to go short. As of now, there's no buy trade, there's no sell trade on gold. However, if you're on a trade on gold, I can advise you, okay? Put that in the comment section. If you're on a trade on gold, I can tell you what to do. Should you continue to hold your buy? Should you continue to hold your sell? Should you initiate the buy or close your sell? Just put that in the comment section. We have about 30 seconds left in this live stream. Remember, guys, if you want to copy my trades for free, use the link in the description below. Use the same broker as I'm using, Muga Market. Sign up. Make sure you have at least $350 to $500 in your account. You can buy crypto from any place like Binance and stuff, and then transfer it to your account to be able to copy my trades. You need that amount to be able to copy my trades to the fullest potential, just like I have. And if you want to buy the course, you can go to hedgingmastermind.com. If you have any other questions, send me a message on WhatsApp and Telegram. He said, no, we want to trade safe. That's the only way to trade. All right, guys. So let me just give like 20 more seconds for any more questions. If not, we'll end this live stream here, and we'll meet in tomorrow's videos and other videos throughout the day, and we'll see how much profits we can make this week and this month. Like, share, and subscribe. 5 more seconds. If not, let's end this live stream, and we'll meet again sometime soon.
I could put you on a map with a cosign. Trophies got a crib looking like a gold mine. They follow in my footsteps cause I know that I paved the way. She think I'm a hero, shorty, you ain't getting safe today. Like you send me checks, so your salary my day to day. I'm numb to awards, now the Grammys act like paperweights. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about